4,000 were hurt. U.S. search and rescue teams from Miami are helping scour the rubble. They deployed canine units and specialized equipment across collapsed buildings. Responders acknowledged the chances of finding survivors are quickly diminishing.
Well, here in Chicago, volunteers are collecting donations to send to Venezuela earthquake survivors. Jamie Espina is the owner of a boutique in Melrose Park. She says she and other businesses partnered with the Ozzie Gullin Foundation. They collected non-perishable foods, bottled water, baby items, and medications. Espina says she's already sent 25 boxes back to her home country.
I'm really feeling sad about the all happened in my country. I'm really need to be help all my people.
While the boutique is no longer taking donations, you can drop off donations at the Olivet United Methodist Church in Chicago this Sunday from 8 in the morning to 6 at night.